at the North Garage at Burbank. And we got a few people along for the ride.
Oh yeah.
Someone do the honors.
Well, of course, with Alex for the first time in forever.
Yeah.
I don't even know when the last time would have been.
And then I'm
Too long
Adam,
ago.
so I am good friends with
You've been on my
Alex.
channel.
Yes. How walks. Please. Please subscribe.
Let this close. Almost sounded like it wasn't going to make it there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I started to struggle.
Sorry.
We'll end it here.
Okay. Lovely. Oops. Got to demonstrate the bumper by mistake. I guess that's it.